Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Freshsales CRM versus Salesforce. In order to do so, here we are at freshworks.com/CRM/sales, and we're also at salesforce.com. Let's take a look at Freshsales. According to Cider AI, Freshsales is aimed at small to medium-sized businesses. It provides a user-friendly CRM experience with a focus on sales automation, lead management, and customer engagement. It's suitable for teams looking for an affordable, straightforward solution. Salesforce, on the other hand, is a comprehensive CRM solution that caters to business of all sizes. Salesforce offers extensive customization and scalability for complex sales processes and larger organizations. It is suitable for enterprises requiring robust features and integrations. Freshsales includes lead management, lead scoring, tracking, and nurturing tools, built-in email capabilities for communications and tracking email performances. It automates repetitive tasks like follow-ups and lead assignments, and basic reporting features for tracking sales performance and customer interactions. Salesforce, on the other hand, is highly customizable with thousands of apps on its App Exchange for various business needs. Has advanced features, including extensive features like advanced analytics, Einstein analytics, AI-driven insights, and complex workflows. Integrates seamlessly with Salesforce Marketing Cloud for comprehensive marketing automation. It covers sales, service, marketing, and more with a unified platform. User interface and experience. Salesforce offers a clean, intuitive user interface that is generally easier for new users to navigate. It emphasizes a straightforward setup and user experience. Salesforce, on the other hand, while powerful, the interface can be complex due to its vast array of features. Users may require training to fully utilize all its functionalities, especially in larger deployments. Integration capabilities. Freshsales provides integration with popular tools like email services, calendars, and other software, but it has fewer integrations compared to Salesforce. Integrations are straightforward and typically cover essential tools for sales team. Salesforce, one of its strongest points of Salesforce is an extensive integration capabilities. It supports a vast ecosystem of third-party applications and has robust APIs for custom integration. The pricing model for both Freshsales, generally more budget-friendly with a straightforward pricing model that appeals to smaller businesses. It offers several tiers, including a free version with limited features. Salesforce, on the other hand, offers a range of pricing plans that can become costly as additional features and users are added. It's designed to provide a comprehensive solution, which can be a significant investment. For support and community, Freshsales provides various support options, including live chat, email support, and a knowledge base. The community around Freshsales is smaller compared to Salesforce. Salesforce boasts a large, active community and extensive resources, including forums, webinars, and training programs. Users can access a wealth of information and support. Choose Freshsales if you are a small to medium-sized business looking for an easy-to-use, cost-effective CRM focused on sales automation and basic reporting. Choose Salesforce if you're part of a larger organization needing a highly customizable CRM with extensive features, integrations, and support for complex sales processes. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, it is a fantastic tool that integrates directly into your Chrome browser and gives you access to an AI chatbot at all times, so you can get the answers you're looking for. Click on the link in our description for our link tree, and there you'll find information on our upcoming intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Sintra AI, a phenomenal business strategy tool. Use discount code SkillCraft60 to get 60% off your subscription. And if you are interested in Cider, click on the link there to get started. Also, take a look at EnzoBot. Clicking on those links helps us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.